We all possess a special power, the ability of our thoughts and our subconscious mind. There are inspiring examples of people who use the power of their thoughts to achieve their dreams, like Lionel Messi, who became a global football sensation despite physical challenges, and Sundar Pichai, who rose from a middle-class background to become the CEO of Google and Alphabet. This shows that determination and the right mindset can lead to extraordinary success. In simple terms, our thoughts, determination, and a well-crafted plan can turn our dreams into reality. In this video, we are going to delve into the science and functioning of the subconscious mind and the law of attraction. In part 2 of this video, we will explore how to effectively reprogram your mind to manifest anything you desire. Let's understand how subconscious mind works. Our subconscious mind is like a helper that does what our conscious mind tells it to. It's also a big memory bank storing our life experiences. So, when we face challenges, like a job interview, the real issue is often how well we prepared for it by filling our memory bank with the right skills and knowledge. What seems like a big problem can often depend on how we respond to it, and our subconscious mind plays a big role in influencing our reactions. In simple terms, our subconscious mind listens to our conscious thoughts, remembers things, and shapes how we deal with life's ups and downs. For this, let's understand the self-programming cycle. 1. Thought. Think of thoughts as the mental pictures and ideas that pop into your head. They're like the little movies your brain plays when you remember your favorite vacation or when you plan what to have for dinner. These thoughts are formed in different parts of your brain, especially the prefrontal cortex, which is like the control center for your thinking. 2. Emotion. Emotions are your brain's way of reacting to things. Imagine you see a cute puppy. That warm, fuzzy feeling you get is an emotion. These reactions come from a part of your brain called the amygdala, and they can affect what you think and do. For example, if you feel scared, you might want to run away from something that seems dangerous. 3. Belief. Beliefs are like the stories your mind tells you about what's true and what's not. They're built from your own experiences, what your family and culture teach you, and the information you've gathered. Your brain stores these beliefs, and they help you make sense of the world. Beliefs can be as simple as thinking that the sun rises in the east, or as complex as believing in the importance of kindness. 4. Confirmation. Confirmation is like being a detective in your own mind. It's the process of checking to see if what you believe is actually true. This is a big deal in the world of science. Your brain is like a scientific lab. It takes in new information and compares it to what you already believe. 5. Conviction. Convictions are like super strong beliefs that have been around for a long time and have been tested again and again. Your brain builds powerful connections to support these beliefs. Think of it like a tree with very deep roots. The more you think about and reinforce a belief, the stronger it becomes. In scientific terms, the self-reprogramming cycle can be seen as a continuous process of cognitive and emotional engagement with information and beliefs. Let's understand it with an example. Imagine a person, let's call them Alex, reads an article that suggests a plant-based diet can have numerous health benefits. This thought is the starting point of the cycle. Alex feels curious and intrigued by this new idea. They wonder if changing their diet could improve their health and overall well-being. This emotional response is a natural reaction to the thought. After some reflection, Alex begins to consider the idea that switching to a plant-based diet might be a good choice. They start to believe that it's worth exploring further, even though they've been a meat eater for most of their life. To confirm this emerging belief, Alex decides to do some research. They read books, watched documentaries, and consult with nutritionists and vegans to gather information and evidence about the benefits of a plant-based diet. As they find more data supporting this lifestyle, their belief strengthens. Eventually, Alex becomes convinced that a plant-based diet is not only healthier, but also aligns with their values regarding animal welfare and environmental sustainability. They decide to adopt a plant-based diet and commit to it wholeheartedly. In this example, we see how Alex's thought about a plant-based diet triggered emotions, led to the formation of a belief, and then went through a process of confirmation through research and consultation. Finally, it evolved into a strong conviction, guiding Alex's actions and dietary choices. Why do people pray in every religion? It's an interesting question. While it doesn't prove if God exists, it suggests a belief in a guiding force, like the law of attraction. This idea is about expressing your wishes to the universe and believing they'll come true. But there's a catch. The universe helps those who take action. So you might wonder, what's the point of the law of attraction? It's not about waiting for miracles. It's about attracting good opportunities. Let me share a personal story. Once, I wanted to change jobs and get a better salary. It was tough, but I kept my desire strong. I had worked really hard. I diligently prepared for the interview, leaving no stone unturned. The day of the interview arrived, and my heart raced with anticipation. I walked into the room, greeted the interviewer with a smile, and the conversation began. To my amazement, the questions posed by the interviewer closely mirrored the topics I had studied. It was as if the universe had conspired to align the interview with my newfound knowledge. I answered with confidence, and the interview went exceptionally well. In the following weeks, I received the job offer I had desired. It was not just any job, it came with a higher salary I had envisioned. This experience reaffirmed my belief in the law of attraction, not as a magical incantation, but as a force that directs you toward opportunities. It's a reminder that when we couple our desires with dedication and preparation, the universe often responds in kind, opening doors we may not have even known existed. This personal journey reinforced the idea that the law of attraction is a powerful force that complements our efforts and can help us achieve our dreams. Remember, universe has best plans for you. Your subconscious mind and the law of attraction work together. Your subconscious mind helps you tune into the frequency of your desires, and once you're in sync with that frequency, the universe starts looking for it. When it finds a match, your desires come true. In part 2 of this video, we'll cover the practical steps to make your dreams come true and what to avoid. So, if you find this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Let's grow together. Thanks for watching.